You're making payments every month, but your debt barely moves. It feels like you're running on a treadmill going nowhere. Here's what's actually happening. You're paying minimums, and minimums are designed to keep you in debt as long as possible. Credit card companies don't want you to pay it off. They want you paying interest for years, so you make your payment. Feel good for a day, then the next statement comes and the balance looks almost the same. It's exhausting, it's defeating, and it makes you want to give up completely. But what if you could see the exact date you'll be debt-free? What if you could watch that date get closer every time you throw extra money at it? That's the power of visibility. When you can see progress, you stay motivated. When you can see the finish line, you keep running. The Finance Reset Toolkit gives you that visibility. It tracks your income, expenses, and shows your real monthly surplus. That surplus is your weapon against debt. The interactive web app lets you simulate payoff scenarios. What if you add $50 a month to your payment? What if you pick up a side hustle? You see exactly how much faster you'll be free. People using this system are paying off debt they've carried for years. They're not guessing anymore. They see the path and they're walking it. If you're tired of going nowhere, tap the link in my bio and get the Finance Reset Toolkit. This video is for informational purposes. Results vary based on individual financial situations.